In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Trello dark mode in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working late at night or simply prefer a darker screen to reduce eye strain, this straightforward guide will walk you through the necessary steps to switch your Trello board to dark mode. To begin, let's start by logging into your Trello account. As you open Trello's homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll be presented with several options to access your account. For this tutorial, let's choose the option to log in with Google. When prompted, select the account associated with your Trello account. This step is seamless and allows you direct access to all your boards. Once you're logged in, the next step is navigating to your profile photo. It's located again at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to locate and click on the theme option. This is where you'll be able to customize the look and feel of your Trello experience, including toggling between light and dark modes. Now that you've clicked on theme, you'll see a few choices related to display options. Among these is the option to switch to dark mode. Click on this option. Instantly your screen will transform into a sleek, darker interface designed to be easier on the eyes. This can be especially helpful if you're a night owl or spend long hours at your screen, as dark mode can reduce glare and make text easier to read in low light environments. And there you have it, your Trello board is now set to dark mode. This setting will remain active across your Trello boards, offering a more comfortable, stylish setup every time you log in. If for any reason you wish to revert to the standard light mode, simply return to the theme settings and select light instead. It's as simple as that. We hope this guide helps enhance your Trello experience by providing a more soothing visual environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick and easy tech guides. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.